Welcome to this video on operating systems. In this tutorial, we'll explore what an operating system is and understand its crucial role in making computers work the way they do. An operating system, commonly abbreviated as OS, is system software that manages computer hardware and software resources. It provides common services for computer programs, acting as the foundation that makes everything else possible. To understand this better, think of your computer as a building. Just like a building needs a manager to keep everything running smoothly, your computer needs an operating system. The OS is that building manager, coordinating all activities and ensuring everything works together harmoniously. An operating system performs 4 core roles. First, it acts as a hardware manager, controlling the CPU, memory, and storage devices. Second, it serves as an application host, running and managing software programs. Third, it provides the user interface, giving you ways to interact with the computer. And fourth, it works as a security guard, protecting your data and system resources from unauthorized access. The operating system acts as a middleman between applications and hardware, ensuring efficient resource allocation. When an application needs something, it sends a request to the operating system. The OS then communicates with the hardware to fulfill that request, managing everything smoothly in the background. Let's look at some common operating systems you might already be familiar with. Windows is used on most desktop and laptop PCs. macOS powers Apple computers, and Linux is popular among servers and developers for its flexibility and open-source nature. Mobile devices also run operating systems. Android powers smartphones from brands like Samsung, Google Pixel, and OnePlus. Meanwhile, iOS is the operating system that runs on iPhones and iPads, providing a seamless Apple ecosystem experience. Operating systems perform several key functions. Process management controls program execution and enables multitasking, allowing multiple programs to run simultaneously. Memory management allocates RAM to running programs efficiently. The file system organizes and manages data storage on your hard drive, or SSD, and device drivers enable communication between the operating system and hardware components like printers, keyboards, and mice. Understanding why an operating system matters is crucial. Without an OS, your computer would just be expensive hardware with no way to interact with it. The operating system bridges the gap between you and the machine, transforming raw computing power into a usable, accessible tool. Thanks for watching. Now you understand what an operating system is and why it's essential for computing. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS, you now know the vital role the OS plays in making your digital life possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.